Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Focus rear door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, like a plastic trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by locating and removing any visible screws, which are typically found in the armrest or door pull. Next, gently pry up the window switch panel using your trim tool, then disconnect its electrical connector. This initial step sets the foundation for a smooth removal process. Now let's focus on the door handle area. You'll find one screw hidden behind the door handle bezel. Remove it carefully. After that, gently detach the entire door handle bezel from the panel itself. Take a moment to inspect this area thoroughly for any additional hidden screws or clips that might be securing the panel. Missing these can cause damage, so be patient and thorough. With the screws removed, it's time to release the main panel clips. Starting from the bottom or a corner, use your plastic trim tool to carefully pry the panel away from the door frame. You'll hear the clips pop as they release. Work your way around the entire perimeter, applying even pressure. Once the panel is loose, disconnect all electrical connectors and the door cable, usually by pressing a tab and sliding it off. Finally, with all clips and connectors detached, lift the door panel straight upwards. This action will clear the window channel and the door lock mechanism, allowing the panel to come completely free. Store your removed panel in a safe place, perhaps on a soft cloth, to prevent any scratches or damage. Reassembly is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring every clip and electrical connector is securely engaged for proper function.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.